In this video, I will share with you how you can actually send your Harmony One tokens from Binance to your Metamask wallet in order to use dApps in the Harmony ecosystem. My name is Kierin and you're watching The Decentralized Lifestyle. If you want to follow along my trade strategies as well as crypto deep dives, I highly recommend that you join the DeFi Academy. You get all of the information by signing up to the newsletter. Link is in the description below. Now, in order to do this tutorial, you're going to have to have a few things. You're going to have some Harmony One tokens, and you can buy those on Binance with USDT, BTC, and many other coins. Then when you've bought some Harmony One tokens, what you want to do is also have a MetaMask wallet installed. I'll link a tutorial down below for a MetaMask tutorial, and that's about it. But there's one key important thing you're going to have to do before you actually send your Harmony One tokens to your MetaMask wallet, because if you try and copy this address here and you paste it in the address on Binance and you select BNB, it will not work. You see, it just is grayed out because it doesn't really work with the Ethereum type of address. So what you want to do is you want to have the Harmony type of address. So for that, you go on to explorer.pops. I'll link it down below. And here you just copy your normal address and then you paste it in this search field. And here on the right hand side, you've got these three lines. You just click on this and then here you can actually change the address style from Harmony to ETH. So if I change it back to ETH, I've got my ETH address. And then if you change it to Harmony, you're going to get the Harmony type of address. And this is the address you want to actually take to send your funds from Binance to MetaMask. So you just click on this to copy, and then you click on Binance, and then instead of your Ethereum type of address, you paste your Harmony One here, and you make sure that you've got Harmony One chain selected, and then it should be all right. Then you select the amount that you'd like to withdraw. I want to withdraw the max amount, then click on withdraw. I put in all of the security information and withdraw my funds, and then after a few minutes, it should show up in your MetaMask. The last thing that you want to do is you have to add the Harmony mainnet to your MetaMask in order to see your One tokens. For that, you just go to chainlist.org, and then here you search for Harmony, and then you add Harmony mainnet shard 0 and click on connect wallet, and then click on add to MetaMask. And that's about it. That's how you send your funds from Binance to MetaMask. If you've got any questions, leave them in the comment section down below. Make sure to subscribe for more DeFi related tutorials, and I'll catch you in the next video. Have a good one. Bye-bye.